Hi, everybody. My name is MacDonald. I'm a third grade teacher and the teacher support specialist for my district. And that position is called the TSS. Now, let me give you a little bit more information about that since that has to do with this application. As the TSS, my job is to work alongside teachers to help increase their efficiency and effectiveness by providing them new strategies and techniques. And as a byproduct, the academic performance of their students increases as well. One of those strategies I'll be sharing today is Google Sheets being used as a digital gradebook. Let's dive right in. Now, I've given this training a couple times, and of course, it comes with a pre-survey, post-survey, living agenda, presentation, and it's all stored on my Google site where people can access it anytime. And also, when teachers attend this, they get a pre-made grade book complete with all the formatting and the cell configuration. So a lot of the work's already done for them. Let's look at a third grade example. I've put all the categories that they need to grade at the bottom, and we'll look at spelling in a little more detail because it's pretty reflective of the whole process. So you can see as an overview, we've got student names, the assessments. I'll show you how to make an extra assessment, student averages, so individual performance, and class averages, so whole class performance. Now you can also see I have conditional formatting all over the place. And why I put this in is because it makes the difficult task of analyzing your student performance much easier and much faster. So teachers can actually get more data at a quicker rate. So they can see how their students are doing on a daily or even weekly basis and make adjustments accordingly. Let's look at our whole student averages here. By looking at my student averages, I can see by using the key over here what students are doing really well, and therefore maybe I need to increase difficulty and pace, or which students are not doing so well and which ones I need to bring back and do some additional teaching in individual one-on-one or small group settings. Then down below here, my student averages, I can look at that for my pacing. Are my lessons being well paced? Should I increase the pacing or slow it down and do some extra lessons? Now let's go ahead and add an extra assessment here. I'll two-finger click the top of the column and then do insert to the right. And by doing that, I copy over all my conditional formatting. And now I can just go ahead and start punching in percentages. Now you'll notice that it's automated, so it's already doing percentages. It's already applying conditional formatting. And that makes the job of the teacher that much easier. If I want to calculate a new class average, all I do is click the blue dot, drag it over, teach it to do this same thing on this column. And then as I continue to enter data, you'll see the averages not only for the whole class, but individual students update. Okay, so that's a lot in a short amount of time. I also want to talk about how with Google, you can go ahead and make a copy each quarter or each year and reuse it again and again and again, and then 90% of the work has already been done. All you're going to do is update your students and your assessments, and voila. You can also use the filter tool to help support you in your parent-teacher conferences. So clear it, select the student you're meeting with, and there you go. Now you're protecting the privacy of others, but yet using the data to help you in your conversation. Last but not least, you can also share with your administrator or resource teacher to help increase, again, the efficiency and effectiveness of your teaching and also getting better data for your students. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.